Hello. Welcome to our tutorial on the XLATE with Opcode extender PNE and IBM IRPGLE. Today, we'll explore how this function handles errors and padding while translating characters. Let's begin with a practical example. Let's see how XLATE translates RPG DPT to all X after the execution of XLATE. We can see RPG DPT has been translated into RPG DPT XXXXX. Here is another example, XLATE P. Now let's add padding with blanks using XLATE P. After the execution of XLATE, we can see RPG DPT has been translated into RPG DPT. XXXXX has been padded with blanks. Third translation example, handling errors with XLATE with E. Let's handle a scenario where the starting position exceeds the length of the source variable. It will try to translate the change case to RPG department variable with result to all X from starting position X, 22, by the protocol specified in factor 1 but display the error message as the 22 index is not present in change case 2 variable. And there you have it. XLATE P and IBM I provides flexibility in translating characters with error handling and optional padding. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the XLATE opcode with Opcode extender PNE and IBM IRPGLE by Programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I programming insights. Happy coding!